If you've ever looked at your life and wondered how everything went wrong overnight, listen carefully. A young man sits alone in his small apartment. His laptop screen glows in the dark. Red candles fall on a chart like blood dripping. He rubs his face and whispers, "I can't believe I lost everything." He used to believe crypto was his way out. He used to dream big. He believed futures trading would make him rich fast. But one wrong trade wiped his savings clean. His hands shook the moment the liquidated notification popped up. He felt something inside him break. He stopped eating, stopped answering calls. He drank at night just to numb the pain. The bottle became his comfort. The losses became his shadow. One night, while sitting at a bar staring at nothing, two guys walked in. They recognized him immediately. They smiled like they had seen a long-lost friend. Years ago, he had helped them when they were completely broke. They never forgot. They sat beside him and said, "Bro, you made us believe in ourselves. Don't let the market destroy you." He didn't talk much, but their presence felt like a light in a dark room. For the first time in months, he felt human again. The next morning, he opened his laptop. Not to gamble, not to chase losses, but to start fresh. He promised himself one thing: no more futures, no more shortcuts. While researching, he found something new: GELT token, the native coin of Azax Exchange. It wasn't hyped, it wasn't loud. It was just solid. He bought a small amount, nothing crazy, just enough to test the water. Weeks passed. The chart slowly climbed, then climbed again, then shot upward like a rocket. Green candles everywhere. His heart pounded. He refreshed the page over and over, afraid it was a glitch. His portfolio doubled, then tripled, then became something he never imagined. One morning, he opened his laptop and froze. The numbers on the screen didn't look real. He had made trillions of pounds from a simple move he didn't expect. He stood up shaking, laughing, crying all at once. The same friends he once helped were right beside him as he screamed with joy. The same guys who reminded him of his worth were there when everything changed. He didn't become rich because he traded harder. He became rich because he chose not to die where he fell. He walks outside now with a different kind of peace. Clear sky above him, sunlight on his face. No more fear, no more running from himself. He always ends his story with one line: "Crypto didn't save me. Consistency did, and when life breaks you, don't quit. Because the comeback always hits harder than the fall."